Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Apple ID. Fix verification errors step by step clearly. Open settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap your name at the top. If you are not signed in, tap sign into your iPhone and enter your Apple ID and password. Check that your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection before continuing. Turn off airplane mode and, if needed, restart your router to rule out network issues. On the Apple ID screen, tap Name, Phone Numbers, Email to review your account details. Make sure your primary email address is spelled correctly and has no extra spaces. Tap Phone Numbers and confirm your trusted phone number is correct and active. If you see a prompt to verify, tap Verify Email or resend verification email. Open the Mail app or your email provider and search for the Apple verification message. Check the spam or junk folder because verification emails often get filtered. Open the verification email and tap the verification link exactly once. If the link opens in a browser, sign in with the same Apple ID to complete verification. If the link says it is expired, go back and request a new verification email. Return to Settings and pull down to refresh the Apple ID page after verifying. If verification still fails, go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically. Update iOS or iPadOS by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and installing any update. Check Apple's System Status page to confirm Apple ID services are not down in your region. If you receive Verification Failed or Unknown Error, force close Settings and reopen it. Restart your iPhone or iPad to clear temporary sign-in and security token issues. Try verifying from a different network, such as mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or vice versa. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and try the verification again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the 6-digit code sent to your trusted device. If you do not receive codes, tap Didn't Get a Code and choose a different trusted option. Go to Apply It, Apple.com in a browser and sign in to verify details from the web. Under Account Security, confirm your trusted phone number and devices are up to date. If your password might be incorrect, reset it using the Forgot Apple ID or Password option. If you see repeated lock or security alerts, wait a few minutes and try again to avoid rate limits. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support and provide the exact error message you see. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.